how you can delete your Google account. I'll show you a way you can delete your Google account from your Android or your iOS just following this step by step that I'll show you. It's very normal if you're not finding where you can delete your Google account because it isn't easy to you find. Let's go to screen of my phone to you check this step by step. But before it, please hit the like, share this content and subscribe at this channel. And if this step by step work, please comment, let your comment. Oh, it helps. Thank you. And if this step by step doesn't work, please also comment the mark and the model of your cell phone. Let's go to screen of myself. I'll show you how you can delete your Google account permanently, okay? Just you need to access your Gmail, okay? You have two ways to access your Gmail. If you are on your phone, you just need to download in Play Store the Gmail apps, but normally the Gmail already come with your new phone, okay? But if you don't have your Gmail app, you just need to write Gmail in your Play Store. Click right here and download Gmail app. I'll click in update because my Gmail app isn't updated. And it is the first way to you access your Gmail app, okay? The second way is you use your browser. This method is very useful if you are doing this method by your PC, okay? In your PC, you just write on Google search Gmail, and when you Google in Gmail, you just click right here in the first page to you access your Gmail account, okay? After you access your Gmail, you need to access your Google account this way. I'll show you the method with the Gmail app. So let's open the Gmail app over here. I'll click in this icon and I'll click up right side this way in my account. When you click in your account, it will show for you this page. You will click right here, manage your Google account, okay? When you click in this icon, you will arrive at this screen, okay? In this screen, you have many options to you click. You will click in these options, data and privacy, okay? In these options, you will have many options to you click. You need to scroll down until you stop in this information here, okay? Keep scrolling down, scroll down until here. Download or delete your data. Delete a Google service. If you want to delete any Google service that you don't use more, okay? Or if you keep scrolling down a little bit more in more options, okay, to click right here, delete your Google account, delete your entire account and data. You will click right here if you want to delete your Google account, and after you click right here, you need to put your password. After you put your password, you need to confirm and submit in the next, and after you put your password, you can delete completely your account, okay? Pay attention in one thing. If you delete your Google account, you can't recover your Google account again. So think very well if you really want to delete your Google account. I hope I help you with the Google account deletion. Please let the comment if this tutorial works. Comment, oh, thank you, this tutorial works. And if this tutorial doesn't work, please comment the mark and the model of your cell phone. Thank you to watch this video. Until the next video and see ya!